Nissan X-Trail. The next stage of Nissan's electrified product offensive takes shape with the regional premiere of the all-new, 4th-generation X-Trail. Over 2 decades, almost 7 million units of X-Trail have been sold globally, making it one of the world's most popular family adventure vehicles. Starting at £32,030, the all-new X-Trail offers a unique combination of rugged eye-catching design, comfort, onboard convenience, and an effortless, confident drive. For this new iteration, Nissan has drawn on the well-established DNA that runs through all 3 of the previous generations: muscular design, flexible utility, and advanced all-wheel drive capabilities. The all-new X-Trail will be available in both 5 and 7-seat configurations, offering a convenient option for days out with extended family or friends. Thanks to the new Alliance CMFC platform, which showcases advanced engineering, innovation and technology, the all-new X-Trail will again raise the bar in the crossover segment. Customers with a taste for adventure will savor the enhanced dynamic performance and advanced electrification technologies that the new generation of X-Trail offers. Replacing an icon like the X-Trail is a huge responsibility. It has established itself as a vehicle for families to share adventures in, so we know what our customers appreciate. For the 4th generation, we will give them the capacity for adventure, with an advanced electrified all-wheel drive powertrain, combined with intuitive and convenient technology, said François Bailly, Senior Vice President, Chief Planning Officer, for Nissan's EMEA region. Modern, muscular styling that creates a robust yet modern look. Central to Nissan X-Trail's appeal will be its distinctive styling, which projects a reassuring sense of prominence and robustness, without being aggressive. Both the exterior and interior of the all-new X-Trail reflect the spirit of the vehicle, versatile and adventurous. The exterior is highlighted by signature Nissan design elements such as the floating roof and V-motion grille. The frontal aspect is framed by striking headlights that appear molded within the bodywork of the front bumper, with combined daytime running lights and indicators nestled along the shed line of the hood. From the side, muscular wheel arches at the front and rear give the X-Trail presence on the road, whilst at the base of the doors, an inset feature brings a sense of fluidity to the sheer surfaces of the doors. The shape of the C-pillar is reminiscent of a dolphin fin, bringing tension to the rear where the wraparound lights complete the rear 3/4 aspect. From behind, taut horizontal line sits just above and below where the number plate is mounted, while split rear lights ensure a wide aperture for the trunk. A silver panel curves under the rear bumper, reflecting X-Trail's adventurous character. Key aerodynamic features include 3D tire deflectors in the lower front fascia, an active grille shutter to control airflow into the engine compartment, special A-pillar shaping, underbody covers to manage airflow under the vehicle, and a unique air curtain that precisely directs airflow from the front to the sides of the X-Trail. Customers clearly appreciate choice, so the new X-Trail will be available in 10 body colors with 5 two-tone combinations, creating 15 variations to choose from. E-Power drivetrain. The all-new X-Trail will be the second model in Nissan's European range to be equipped with the brand's innovative E-Power drive system. Exclusive to Nissan, E-Power is a unique approach to electrification, offering the EV-drive feeling without the need to recharge. First introduced in Japan on the Note in 2016, it went on to become the best-selling car, with customers loving its combination of smooth, effortless performance and cable-free ownership. The all-new X-Trail's E-Power system is comprised of a high-output battery and powertrain integrated with a variable compression ratio petrol engine, power generator, inverter and 150 kW front electric motor. This unique powertrain means that power to the wheels comes only from an electric motor, which results in an instant, linear response to the accelerator. The application for Europe: it has a 1.5-liter variable compression ratio turbo petrol engine, with a final system power output of 150 kilowatts, 204 PS. The defining feature of E-Power is that the petrol engine is used solely to generate electricity, whilst the wheels are completely driven by the electric motor. This means the engine can always run within its optimal range, leading to superior fuel efficiency in urban settings. Thanks to the pure electric motor drive, there's no delay as with an internal combustion engine or traditional hybrid. The instant response delivers an exhilarating high torque feel and agile acceleration to make overtaking or merging onto a highway easier and more confidence-inspiring. Integral to the design of e-Power is the linear tune, which governs the operation of the petrol engine, ensuring that it's spinning at an appropriate speed relative to road speed, avoiding the rev-up effect of traditional hybrids under hard acceleration. A secondary benefit is the refinement it brings, ensuring the engine is running only at the speed it needs to, which is typically low in urban and suburban conditions. In addition to these benefits, the e-Power drive system guarantees a quiet drive. For example, at 25 miles per hour the sound in the car reduces by 8 dB compared with competitors. E-pedal step. Given that 70% of drive time is likely to be spent in suburban areas, Nissan developed a one-pedal driving experience called e-pedal step. Designed to take the repetitive strain out of stop-start urban driving, where the driver is frequently moving their foot between the accelerator and brake, e-pedal step allows drivers to accelerate and brake using only the accelerator. The system must first be activated by the switch on the center console, and once engaged, the accelerator will deliver acceleration as usual. Upon release of the accelerator, e-pedal step will brake the X-Trail at 0.2 grams, enough to illuminate the brake lights, and reduce the speed down to a creeping speed, not a complete stop. This ensures low-speed parking maneuvers are as smooth as possible. Drivers will quickly adapt their accelerator pedal inputs to maintain smooth travel, ensuring urban driving is more intuitive and less demanding. Mild hybrid version. While the e-Power equipped version of the X-Trail will make up the majority of the demand for the vehicle, it will also be offered with the turbocharged 1.5-liter variable compression ratio powering the wheels in the traditional fashion. Generating 120 kilowatts, 163 PS, and 300 Nm of torque, it will be offered only in two-wheel drive configuration, with power to the wheels being transmitted via the Stronach stepped continuously variable transmission. In driving scenarios with relaxed driving and light acceleration, the engine switches to high compression ratio for optimized fuel efficiency, while in situations where more performance is needed, the compression ratio is adjusted to a low level. The powertrain is also equipped with 12V mild hybrid technology. The system provides torque assist, extended idle stop, quick restart and coasting stop, with benefits to both fuel economy and CO2 output. When decelerating, energy is recovered through regeneration and stored in the lithium-ion battery. This charged energy is then used to run the car's systems while the engine is stopped, while waiting at a red light for example. Additionally, a torque boost of around 6 Nm can be generated under acceleration. This means that the entire X-Trail lineup is now electrified. E-Force, a new all-wheel drive system designed to work with Nissan's electrified powertrains, is introduced on the all-new X-Trail in Europe. E-Force will deliver reassuring traction and confident acceleration in all conditions thanks to Nissan's most advanced all-wheel control technology. The E in E-Force stands for Nissan's 100% electric motor drive system. Force refers to the vehicle's physical power and energy, with 4 representing all-wheel control. It will also be arriving on ARIA, early 2023. The powerful dual-lead motor system has a total output of 157 kilowatts, 213 PS, thanks to the rear 100 kW motor, which allows for keen acceleration, with 0 to 62 miles per hour in 7 seconds. It has a 10,000 times faster rear torque response than a mechanical 4WD system. In addition, the constant torque redistribution and near-perfect weight balance contribute to reassuring handling and ride comfort, enabling a powerful yet smooth driving experience. By specifically managing power output and braking performance for each wheel, thereby delivering smoothness and stability, E-force enhances driver confidence by tracing the intended driving line over almost any road surface, while never needing to change driving style or input. When cornering on snow-covered roads, for example, the vehicle can reliably trace the driver's intended line thanks to the ultra-high precision motor, torque distribution and brake control. With the confidence to handle such a variety of road surfaces, driving becomes more enjoyable and the driver feels more confident in a number of driving scenarios. Engineers fine-tuned the precision control technology and twin electric motors of E-force to provide unparalleled ride comfort. Vehicle pitch and dive are minimized by adding regenerative rear motor braking to the usual front motor regenerative braking employed by typical EV and hybrid systems today. In addition to optimizing front and rear torque allocation, the system applies independent brake control at each of the four wheels to maximize the cornering force generated by each one. This delivers dependable cornering with minimal steering adjustments. The X-Trail with e-Power and E-force will occupy a unique corner of the segment, being the only 7-seater family crossover with an electrified powertrain. The X-Trail is precisely the type of vehicle modern adventurous families are looking for, said Cleodon Alliance Region Vice President, Product Planning, Nissan EMEA Region. Premium interior ambience. The cabin of the all-new Nissan X-Trail sets a new segment standard for elevated ambience, distinctive design and enhanced usability. Advanced Nissan Intelligent Mobility technologies are at the driver's fingertips, with comfort and quality in every touch. New premium materials, smart features and considered detailing enhance a cabin that delivers cutting-edge design and practicality in every dimension. Extensive attention has been paid to the ergonomic and tactile quality of the switchgear and buttons to give them a high-quality feel. Customer research has clearly shown customers' preference for easy-to-use core functions, so the X-Trail has simple, intuitive heating/air conditioning controls, as well as buttons that govern the central screen functions, such as audio and navigation. The top level of the floating center console layout features the E-shifter, the drive mode selector and twin cup holders, as well as the 15 watts wireless charge pad for smartphones. The charge pad actively charges your phone, whereas similar features just ensure the battery of your phone does not die. There is a combined elbow rest for front seat occupants, which has a butterfly opening, to reveal a cavernous storage space for valuables. The side opening elements allow easy access to the storage area for rear seat passengers, unlike a rear hinged lid. Underneath the upper tier of the floating console is storage for items such as a wallet or tablet, making it easier to store smaller items and optimizing space, because in a family car you can never have enough storage. Creating a reassuring and calming environment, new white ambient lighting is used throughout the cabin, with its uniformity giving a premium and harmonious impression. Practical and flexible. To make it easier to load items, install a children's seat, or get comfortably into the car, access to second-row seats is even easier due to the rear passenger doors opening to nearly 90 degrees. The second row of seats splits in a 60/40 configuration, plus there is a central hatch so long items such as skis can be easily transported without the need to drop either section of the second row of seats. The second row of seats can also slide forward to maximize the trunk space and allow easy access to the third row on the 7-seat configuration. Second row passengers are truly considered with the option of dedicated controls for the heating/air conditioning system, ensuring occupant comfort, which is vital in a family car. The key to a harmonious family trip. A steady supply of power, of course. To keep electronic devices nourished, there is a USB Type-A and a USB Type-C charging point for second-row occupants. Parents of babies and toddlers will appreciate the inclusion of integrated sun blinds into the rear passenger doors, offering protection on sunny days with an easy one-handed operation. Thanks to the packaging efficiency of the Alliance CMFC platform, the all-new X-Trail is available with a third row of seating in the trunk. Individual seats that effortlessly disappear into the floor are designed to accommodate passengers up to 160 centimeters in height, placing it amongst the most generous in its segment. The space has been optimized to ensure that third row passengers can put their feet under the second row of seats. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.